Hi, so I'm Amy Jacobs and I work for Turtle Bay as one of the graphic designers. So much to take away from today. So all the levers of influence and how we can implement that within the hospitality industry. Um, Going through all of the different techniques with menu engineering, sort of delving deeper into the psychology behind menus as well. And we've done a bit of brainstorming so we can go through things that we can implement straight away, and then sort of more strategic planning for the 16-week sort of bigger picture thing where we can start off with a lot of research and then go through and implement those things further down the line. So I would love to introduce a bit more colour into our menu. It's very something that Annica picked up on, was that it's quite, at the moment it's just quite like a wall of text. And that was something that really stood out to me, so I was like, okay, how can we break this up? At the moment as well, we use the pound symbols within the menu, so getting rid of that, trying to make people a little bit more focus on the food and the flavours rather than the pricing, making it more about the experience. I love menus, so all of this I find fascinating, and Annica is actually my mentor. Yeah, so I have been speaking with her for the last few months on video calls, so just getting to meet her in person has been really lovely, and yeah, getting some actually going back to analog and getting notes on the actual menu, writing things down. It was really nice not bringing a laptop and actually physically having it all in front of us. I think that's such a good way to work. So yeah, a lot of things to take away from that. It's been a really good day. I think if you don't know kind of where to start, or it feels quite overwhelming, this is a great way for it to break down the different steps and also show that it is quite a long process and there are many parts to it. It's not just something you can do overnight, so it's something you really need to think about and really dedicate the time to. So anyone within marketing, so obviously I do graphic design, this is my passion as well, but there's so many people that need to get involved with it as well, so it's really good for so many different members of the team, the marketing team or the wider team, food and drinks development people, even CEO of a company. This is such an important tool, your menu, so I think anyone that wants to get involved definitely should. I'd say it was very interesting and lots to take away from it. A great way to meet new people that are also like-minded in similar roles as well. And yeah, just a really useful day for sure. Very useful. It's made me feel passionate, so I guess yeah. That's not yeah. And very visual.